It's a decorating rule of thumb that has to do with color. When you decorate a space, the 60% is the main color theme of your room, be it neutral, white, or gray. It typically should be more of a neutral color, since that is going to be 60% of your space. The 30% of your space would be your accent color or texture, your main accent color, which would complement your main color. And then the 10% would be your pop color, which I like to put in pillows and in artwork. One tip that I would like to add as far as color in decorating a room is that you want to keep your main pieces of furniture in a neutral color. This way, you won't get tired of the color, and it's not so easy to buy a new sofa or to buy a new bed or dining table every other year. So your main pieces of furniture should be in that 60%, and then your accent tables can be in the 30%, or accent chairs. You can do an accent chair in a pop color if you love color, but I like to keep the pop colors in accessories because that item is the least expensive way of updating.